Well, I'm here in Ocean City with a group of people that's larger than I anticipated for COVID and cold and what is it, like 20 degrees?
Yeah, probably.
Let me see if I can get everybody in the shot. Hey everybody, thanks for coming out. You guys are awesome. Hey, maybe you recognize them. It's Mask Guy 1, Mask Guy 2, Mask Lady. You ready?
You can see Ken?
I can. It's fogging up a little bit because of the mask.
We'll stay within 10 feet away from you, so pull it down a little.
You ready?
Yes, we're ready. Oh boy, that thing went fast. Oh, I can't have 60 frames per second going. Oh.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
What happened?
It's right behind you.
What happened?
It's exactly behind us.
See, now that's why I didn't want to fly here. If I had gone that way, you could have landed on somebody. That would have been bad.
Yeah.
See? See?
Yeah,
Say that.
how's it, Ken?
It's
dirty.
Yeah, there's sand in that too.
you can actually rinse these with water.
Yeah.
Got your air compressor with
You see, that's just no good there.
You gotta get the canned air to
Yeah, the air guns.
Well, or we're gonna do a little hover test here. Give me a
Good space, good space.
You can see the sand. Get it off. Yeah. Are we clear?
Clear. Looking good. Doing great.
Awesome.
Oh, yeah, you got it now.
So can I just say pizza so I don't get too crazy here?
Right?
Yeah, I meant to do that. Let me see how fast I can go with the wind.
Dropping. Oh, you got some speed now.
Ah, cool.
Oh, man, you're doing good.
Whoa. I'm swaying back and forth here. Oh, we're to the loop there.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Is there anybody in that little pier thing?
Uh-oh.
There's a lot of wind. I wonder if I can go through here.
Oh boy, look at this. Woo. Oh, cool. Awesome. Whoa.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
Got it now, Ken.
Awesome.
Oh, there's people. I call them soft targets. I'm gonna try to go along this wall thing, the dunes. Are you still seeing it in the goggles?
Oh yeah, it's cool.
Man, I can feel the wind.
I don't know.
Yep. That's the whole
What kind of
idea.
range do you have?
Wow.
Similar range to the other DJI products.
Nice. Holy shit.
You get a good view of the music here?
Yeah, let me go.
Yeah.
Let me go over here.
Hey Ken, can you go through the music here?
Oh, is there access? Can I get in there if we lose it?
Yeah, you can. It's all open.
Gotta make sure anybody's sitting in there, though.
Yeah.
Is
that's the
there
thing.
anybody
I don't
in
know,
there?
Maybe you should. There could be people in there.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. There could be. Maybe I'll go in this window and out the other window.
Yeah.
Fly
maybe
through the
try
fishing
that.
pier down there.
I don't want to get you to do anything that could lose it, you know. Yeah, there was people in there, I think.
Oh yeah.
Can you fly down to the fishing pier?
All the way down there?
Or is that too far?
Might be too far.
You gotta keep on this plane.
Let's do this before the battery runs out. Let's do one of my favorite things to do. I'll go up. Tell me when you think it's 400 feet.
Yeah.
You see Atlantic City, right?
You're getting close.
Is that about 400?
I think so. Yeah, I reckon so.
You ready? Here we go.
No! Going upside down! Find 3D?
Oh, that's awesome.
You can see the whole island.
Wow. Really? Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, it's windy up there. So we're gonna dive bomb the music pier and then come back. I'm gonna land hopefully on the boardwalk. Is there anybody on the boardwalk in front of us? Can we make a little landing spot?
Yeah. I'll get it. Watch everything.
We good?
Yeah, we look good.
Yeah, you got a landing spot.
All right.
Right behind us.
I really wanted to chase a seagull. Can I land right over here?
You're doing a little high. Yeah, you're good. You drop it. You're good.
Awesome!
Hey!
That is cool.
Woo. This is Rachel. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is cool.
They've installed some lighting on the stairs since I've been in here.
Yeah, she said it was an Airbnb for a while back in last September. They tried it out.
Whoa. A little different than I remember.
But that's why it's furnished.
They put some sectionals in here.
Yeah. Wow.
Want to head up top? Yeah, I'm ready. Let's all stand on an elephant. All right. Oh, man. I had some friends that couldn't squeeze through that bit right there. Like that. All right. You ready? Don't freak out. Oh, you're all right. Rachel, you ever see anything so cool in your life? Pretty cool. We're here at Lucy the Elephant in Margate, New Jersey, and people are flying, with permission, of course. I'll put a link in the description to the video that I filmed here a couple of years ago. We were just up top there, and now I'm gonna fly my little 3-inch through Lucy's legs. They said we can fly here as long as we don't hit her. Don't hit Lucy! Hey, it's Billy Kyle.
What's up, guys?
You may not be able to see his face, but you could see those eyebrows. So Billy, you and I are pretty experienced drone flyers.
Yeah.
So I thought we could bestow our wisdom and advice upon the newbies in the drone community. What do you think?
I think it's a good idea.
All right, and there's a bunch of people here for this meet. A lot of people came, and we'll get advice from all of them for you, because you can learn from our mistakes. And speaking of mistakes, I made one right there. Want to see it? Okay. Shoot. Uh-oh. That's it. There's my drone. Bye. See it falling? What the f? I don't want to ever see that again, and I don't want you to do that. So listen to what we have to say.
So my biggest recommendation is to never fly like Ken Dono and Ken Heron. And you really should never ever crash.
Just like advice you would give a juggler, don't drop them. Easy peasy.
Hey folks, Mark from Dalton Drone and Discovery Zone. As you might have seen on my channel, I did have a video a couple of videos back where I crashed the Mavic Pro into a tree. Don't fly the drone backwards and not keep an eye on it. Always watch the drone.
Phantom Flight 101. Don't forget to check your surroundings before you take off. Make sure everything's clear, nothing's in your way.
Because you don't want to bump into anything.
Hi, this is Ron from Drone Nation, and my advice for safe flying is maintain visual line of sight of all times, because I crashed my first Mini 2. Luckily, I had the DJI Care Refresh, so I have another one, but maintain that line of sight at all times. Thank you.
Would you recommend getting the Care and Refresh from DJI if you have a DJI product?
I only paid $49 for the DJI Care Refresh for the Mini 2, and my repair bill would have been over $300 otherwise, so I would highly advise it.
Especially if you're new to drone flying, because you are going to crash.
It doesn't have obstacle avoidance, the Mini 2.
Oh,
that would have saved my bacon, but it doesn't have it.
That's true, yeah. That gravity will get you.
It sure will.
Scott, your SKS video guy here, and my advice is, if you can, it's fun to fly with a buddy.
Yeah, it's
Hey,
true.
buddy.
Yeah, and one day I'll find a buddy. I'm just kidding. Come on, you're my buddy.
Come on.
This is Tim from Baltimore. Don't have a true channel yet, but hopefully soon. Don't let your confidence get the best of you. You're going to see areas that you want to fly, but until you get a little bit more experience, you might not want to do it.
Machismo, man. That's right in the rule book.
Yeah.
Machismo. I can do that. Hey, hold my beer.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
How you doing, everyone? Mike Rowe, Media Mike. Always remember, when you change locations, calibrate, especially if it's one state to another.
I'm Cheryl Grow, Media Mike's wife. I always have a visual observer.
So you know when you're flying around tall buildings, you should always set your return to home altitude higher than those buildings. You never know.
Shoot. What the f? Thanks, man. We had to show that clip again. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Hey guys, it's the Boo Chaser. One thing I want to say, line of sight and know the rules. Fly safe.
Hey, this is Mike from Junk Pick. If you feel like you're doing something stupid, you probably are. So don't. Think twice.
Probably the best advice of the day. Very good.
Hi, my name is Reaper. My advice would be, if you are new to drones, try and find a group of guys that maybe fly on a regular basis. Facebook or meetup.com. Go join them. Lots of people give you advice and tips, and you can learn from other people that way.
There you go. There's some advice from the drone community. I would add to that, of course, goes without saying, practice. You know, it looks easy, and it can be easy, but ease comes with practice. Practice, practice, practice. Just go through a couple batteries a day and you'll be good. That goes for photography drones as well as FPV quads. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time, bye.
And bye.
Coming up on my old house here in Ocean City, New Jersey. This is Wesley Avenue. My house is the one on the corner. It's drastically different. There it is. Right there. It was just a dinky old thing when I lived there. I miss it. They have new owners now, of course. If they're looking out the window, they're probably wondering why I'm filming the place, but they did a lot to fix it up, and I'm glad they did, because the property was pretty valuable and they could have put a larger house here, but they just fixed up the old one, and I think my grandmother would be happy about that.
Okay, he's going to put the helicopter in the sky. And you should be able to see from like you're flying.
Can I scratch my nose?
No. Yes, you can. Just don't touch these.
Oh my God.
All right.